Oh man, if there is one thing I love to hate, it's vertical lift hills. Here we go. This, I love them, but I hate them. They hate me too, guys, so don't worry. It's a mutual feeling here. Oh crap. We are officially vertical. Oh, this is hurting my brain, and that's the last thing I need. But then you get to the top, and the rest of it is full of awesome. Here we go! No! Whee! Oh, man! Oh! Woo! That is a funky turn! Oh, yeah! Woo! And here we go! Ready? Woo! Into the tunnel! And oh! Slow inversion! And hello, Brake Run, how are ya? I'm okay, Rob, how are you? Doing very well here at Six Flags over Georgia. That's great to hear. All right, guys, so we're riding Daredevil Dive here at Six Flags over Georgia, and we're about to do something that I love to hate. That is the vertical lift hill. I love you, but I also hate you. I just want you to know that, vertical lift hill. I'm sure the feeling's mutual. Now we have this awkward silence bit where I'm going to cut this part until we actually keep going. This is not the part that people will see on the internet. Actually, wait, now they will. Whoops. Boy, I really screwed that one up. Oh my God, I hate you, vertical lift hill. But at the same time, I love you. Oh man, my brain. What's left of it. All right, here we go. And now we have awesomeness. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that was some pretty amazing G-forces. Oh! Woo! All right, here we go.